If you want Google login, email login, and sign up working in your React app without writing complex backend code, this video is exactly what you need. In the previous video, I showed why Firebase Auth is better. In this video, I'll show you how to actually connect it, step by step. Let's do it. Firebase Authentication handles user sign-up, login, Google sign-in, and security for us. No password storage, no back-end headaches. Everything is managed securely by Firebase. All right, let's jump into the tutorial. First, open your browser. In the search bar, type Firebase and click the first result. Now you're on the Firebase homepage. On the top right corner, click Go to Console. This opens the Firebase dashboard. Here, click Create a Project or Get Started. Now enter your project name. I'll name it something simple. Accept the terms and click Continue. On the next screen, we don't change anything. Just click Continue again. Now choose your analytics location. You can keep the default option. Accept the terms and click Create Project. Firebase will now create your project. This takes about 1 minute. Just wait. All right, the project is ready. Now look at the left sidebar. Click Build and then click Authentication. Here, click Get Started. Firebase shows us all available sign-in methods. First, click email/password. Enable it, then click Save. Next, click Google. Select your project name, add the required info, and click Save. Now both email/password and Google login are enabled. If you click the Users tab at the top, you'll see that there are no users yet. That's normal. Now let's connect Firebase to our React app. Click the Settings icon near the project name and open Project Settings. Stay on the General tab. Scroll down until you see your apps. Click the Web icon. Enter your app name and click Register App. Firebase now generates a Firebase config object. This is the connection between Firebase and our project. Keep this open. Now I open my React project. I already created a basic React app with login, sign up, and home pages. Open the terminal and type npm install Firebase. Press Enter and wait until installation finishes. Now I create a file called firebase.js. Here, I paste the Firebase config that Firebase just generated. This file handles all Firebase setup for the app. Once this is done, Firebase is officially connected. Now let's see how sign-up works. On the sign-up page, we collect email and password from the user. When the user clicks Sign Up, we call Create User with email and password. Firebase creates the user securely and stores it in the authentication system. No backend code, no password handling. Next is login. Here we use sign in with email and password. The user enters email and password, Firebase verifies it, and logs the user in. Now the best part, Google sign in. When the user clicks sign in with Google, we call sign in with pop-up. Google opens, the user selects their Gmail account, and they're logged in instantly. One click, that's it. Now let's look at how routing works. In app.js, we use onAuth state changed. This checks if a user is logged in or not. If the user is logged in, they're automatically redirected to home. If not, they're sent to login. This creates a clean, professional authentication flow. Now let's go back to Firebase. Open authentication to users. You'll see the user details appear here after sign up or login. Passwords are never visible. Everything is secure. This video focuses on Firebase authentication, not on building the React UI from scratch. If you want the full source code, it's available on my GitHub. Link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Code with Lasa for real-world tools, clean tutorials, and smarter ways to build apps. See you in the next one.